So the next important resource is basically soil resource. Okay, soil is an important natural resource. It is the top covering of earth's surface. So when we are talking about land, so in land, beneath the land, or for example if there is agricultural land, so what is beneath that agriculture? We have soil only. Okay, so that is why soil is also an important resource. It is the top covering of earth's surface. Okay, like for example this is the surface of the earth, or you can say the land. So the top covering layer is basically your soil. Soil is formed due to the wear and tear of rocks by nature and human made forces. Okay, that is by forming and breaking of rocks, basically the soil is formed through natural phenomena and also through human forces. The formation of soil is related to the parent rock material. Okay, that what kind of rock it is, relief, climatic condition, natural vegetation, and animal and human activities. So it is basically formed due to wearing and tearing of rocks, and within that rocks also what kind of rock is there, what kind of climatic condition is there, natural vegetation is there, animals or humans are there at that place, there will be variation in the soil. Okay, fine vegetal and animal remains called humus add to the fertility of soil. The importance of soil lies in its fertility. We all know what is humus, basically the dead remains of animals, plants, humans, vegetables. So when they are in the soil, they actually make up humus after a certain amount of time, and that humus actually increase the fertility of that soil, and fertility is basically required for what? For agriculture. If the soil is fertile enough, the agriculture will also be good, the crop production would be good, the outcome would be good. So the importance of the soil lies in its fertility. Okay, now let us understand in detail that how does soil formation take place. We all know that soil formation is basically a very slow process, and that is why we make sure that there is no loss of fertility of soil. Okay, it takes thousands of years to form very thin layer. Okay, thickness of the soil is seldom more than 1 to 3 meters. So basically the thickness of the soil at times, seldom means at times, can be more than 1 or 3 meters also, but to form a very thin layer of soil it takes so many years. Okay, so that is why we need to preserve soil, and also since fertile soil is in very less quantity, that makes it even more important that we need to preserve soil. Beyond this depth, rocks do not have the elements necessary for plant growth. So basically they are saying that thickness of the soil is at times or seldom more than 1 to 3 meters. So within this depth only, like for example this is your layer of the earth surface, and then this is your plant. So within a certain depth only plants can be grown. Then you have big rocks or other things where plant growth is not possible. Okay, so beyond this depth rocks do not have the elements necessary for plants growth. The right mix of minerals, organic matter and organic matter make the soil fertile. Also, how is the fertility of soil formed or made? There need to be a certain amount of proportion, or a certain proportion in which minerals and organic matter is there. Soil is formed under specific natural conditions. The quality of soil varies from place to place. Soil also differ in color, texture and fertility. The factors responsible for soil formation now are as follows. Okay, so basically the fertility of soil is also depending on various factors, and उसका एक proportion होना चाहिए, and अगर वो correct proportion में है तभी soil में fertility form होती है. Also जो quality होता है soil का, it is actually varying from place to place. Okay, and we can find soil in different color, in different texture and in different fertility forms. Also there are various factors which actually form soil, which are parent rock material, relief, climatic condition, plant and animal or organisms, and your time. Okay, so these are the various factors that make soil, or that actually leads in the formation of soil.